Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
It's a red light. When you said all you really needed, I won't let you have your space. Those leaving didn't hurt me near as badly. Fine, we'll go the speed limit.
Tuesday. It drops Tuesday. The book. Stolen by Bass. Half court line. Bounce ahead. Parker Jr. Shot blocked the foul. As we go to.
Oh, wow. What the hell? Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh shit. Whoa, he's about to wreck in that fucking U-Haul. Oh, it's a high-speed chase.
Oh shit.
It's the U-Haul.
Oh shit.
What are you doing? There's no way. You're literally... Huh? Jesus Christ. What the f, dude?
Did, but and I mean he was sober for a good while, and then like I remember I didn't see him for a while. Oh Jesus! Accident right here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Why are you breaking? Why the f are you breaking? Lock video.
Video lock.
Exactly what happened to me.
Jesus Christ! Holy shit!
All of them?
Yeah, all
Okay.
of them.
Jalapenos or no?
Jalapeno, please.
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh, that's...
Jeez Louise.
And it's even raining.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.